Join me as I dive into the world of AI and try to uncover the free secrets you need to know right now. The world of AI is moving at an unprecedented pace, and it's more important than ever to stay informed about the latest developments and innovations. With new breakthroughs being announced almost daily, it can be overwhelming to keep up, but I'm here to tell you that understanding AI is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. One of the biggest misconceptions people have about AI is that it's only for tech-savvy individuals or large corporations. But the truth is, AI has the potential to benefit anyone, regardless of their background or profession. Another misconception is that AI is only about automation and replacing human jobs. But in reality, AI is about augmenting human capabilities and making our lives easier. Many people also think that AI is only accessible to those with deep pockets. But that's not entirely true. There are many free AI tools and resources available that can be leveraged by anyone. The biggest barrier to accessing the benefits of AI is often a lack of understanding of what's possible. Many people don't know where to start or how to get started with AI. They may feel intimidated by the technical jargon or the perceived complexity of AI, but the reality is AI is becoming more democratized by the day, and there are many free resources available to help you get started. So, what's holding you back from embracing AI? Is it the fear of the unknown or the misconception that AI is only for the tech elite? Whatever it is, I'm here to tell you that it's time to take the leap and start exploring the world of AI. Let's talk about some of the free AI tools and strategies that you can start using today. One of my favorites is Google's TensorFlow, an open-source machine learning platform that allows you to build and train your own AI models. Another tool is IFTTT, a free online platform that enables you to automate tasks and workflows using AI-powered applets. And then there's H2O.ai S driverless AI, a free AI platform that allows you to build and deploy your own AI models without needing to know how to code. One of the most powerful AI tools that I want to share with you is called Deep Dream Generator. This tool allows you to create surreal and dreamlike images using AI-powered algorithms. It's absolutely mind-blowing, and the best part is, it's completely free. Another tool that I want to highlight is AI Writer, a free AI-powered writing assistant that can help you generate high-quality content in minutes. And finally, there's Google's AutoML, a free machine learning platform that allows you to build and deploy your own AI models without needing to know how to code. But the most powerful AI tool that I want to share with you is called Llama. This tool is an AI-powered conversational AI that allows you to have human-like conversations with AI models. It's absolutely revolutionary, and the best part is, it's completely free. With Llama, you can automate customer service, generate chatbots, and even create AI-powered virtual assistants. Gap 3S. Let's dive deeper into the world of AI and explore some advanced tools and techniques that can help you stay ahead of the curve. In this chapter, we'll discuss the latest trends in AI, including natural language processing, computer vision, and reinforcement learning. Natural language processing, or NLP, is a branch of AI that focuses on the interaction between computers and humans through natural language. With advancements in NLP, AI can now understand, interpret, and generate human language in ways that were previously unimaginable. Tools like OpenAI's GPT-3 are leading the way, enabling applications such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and even creative writing. Next, we have computer vision, another groundbreaking area of AI. Computer vision allows machines to interpret and make decisions based on visual data. This technology is being used in various fields, from healthcare for diagnosing diseases through medical imaging, to autonomous vehicles for safe navigation. Tools like TensorFlow and OpenCV are making computer vision more accessible to developers and researchers alike. Lastly, let's talk about reinforcement learning. This is a type of machine learning where an agent learns to make decisions by performing certain actions and receiving rewards or penalties. Reinforcement learning has been instrumental in advancements in robotics, gaming, and even financial modeling. Platforms like OpenAI Gym provide a toolkit for developing and comparing reinforcement learning algorithms. These advanced AI trends are not just theoretical concepts, they have real-world applications that can solve complex problems and drive innovation in your field. Whether you're looking to improve customer service with NLP, enhance security with computer vision, or optimize processes with reinforcement learning, the possibilities are endless. So stay tuned, and let's continue our journey into the fascinating world of AI. The future of AI is bright, and its potential applications are vast and varied. From healthcare to education, AI is transforming the way we live and work. As we continue to innovate and explore new frontiers, AI will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping our future. So, keep learning, stay curious, and embrace the exciting possibilities that AI has to offer. So, what's the takeaway from today's video? The most important thing is to understand that AI is not just for the tech elite. It's for anyone who wants to stay ahead of the curve. By leveraging these free AI tools and strategies, you can start to automate tasks, increase productivity, and transform your personal and professional life. Thanks for watching, and if you have a favorite AI tool that you'd like to share, please leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.